What's up, faithpreneurs? Stephanie Mays here with SMays Designs with your brand in mind. And today is Web Wednesday, which means I'll be sharing insights and tips on how you can leverage your website and create a better online experience for your customers. So today's Web Wednesday topic is mobile friendly or responsive design. So when your website is responsive or mobile friendly, it is flexible and it will adjust to the screen size of the user's device. With responsive design, your website's elements will adjust to the space that's available on the screen of the device that's being used. So basically you'll have multiple website design layouts for one single site to make sure that your site is easy to read, easy to navigate and interact with, no matter what device a site visitor may be using. Now, if you have a website, you can test to see if your site is mobile friendly. What you can do is you can pull up your site on a desktop computer and on a cell phone or a tablet and compare them. Now, if your website is mobile friendly, then you will notice a difference in the layout between each device. For example, a website that may have a section with, say, 3 columns on a desktop may have actually 1 column on a mobile device, such as a cell phone. This prevents the content from having to shrink down so small so that it could fit 3 columns onto a cell phone display. This would be very hard to read, and you'd have to expand the content in order to see it. That's not something that you want your users to have to do. You want to make sure that the user experience for those who like to view websites on a mobile device is as easy as possible, especially since more than half of all web traffic is done through mobile devices. If you have or are planning to build your own website without any coding skills, make sure that you select a template or a theme or site builder that is going to allow for responsive design and will allow you to edit the mobile version of your site. If not, then you are definitely going to need the help of a website developer. One important thing to remember is that not all elements that look nice on your desktop version are going to necessarily look right on the mobile version of your site. For these elements, you want to have the option to omit them on the mobile version. For images, you do want to have the option to substitute them for one with more appropriate dimensions for the mobile version of your website. If you're having your website built professionally by companies such as SMays Designs, then generally it is standard to ensure that your website is mobile friendly and responsive, but it doesn't hurt to ask. Well, that concludes our Web Wednesday topic for today. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and share. Also, subscribe to the page so that you don't miss out on any new content that will help leverage your website and create a better online experience for your customers. Well, I will see you guys in the next video. Be blessed.